Hello students, how are you? I hope you all are fit and fine. So dear students, as you know that we are discussing solved questions from sample paper and through which we are revising the chapter as well as we are also learning how to answer to questions. Okay, let us continue. So in my last video I discussed 4 questions of sample paper 5. Today I am going to discuss the next question from sample paper 5, then we'll start sample paper 6. Uh, Let us begin then, dear students. Where where did Griffin go from London? Griffin go from London. Where did Griffin go from London and why? And why? So as we all know that Griffin went to Iping village because she discovered some rare drug. He swallowed some rare drugs, and then his body became as transparent as a sheet of glass. He also set fire to his landlord and then escaped from there. In order to save himself, he went to Iping. Okay, so let us write the answer to this question. Griffin was eager to get away. Griffin was eager to get away. Griffin was eager to get away. Griffin was eager to get away from crowded London. From crowded London. He was naked and felt cold. He was naked and felt cold. He could not move in busy streets. He could not move in busy streets of London. Okay, here you can also write he could not move in the busy streets of London without clothes. Okay, here you can add one thing, without clothes. So he went to the village of Iping. So he went to the village of Iping. So he went to the village of Iping, where he booked 2 rooms at local inn. Where he booked 2 rooms at local inn. Okay. So let us go through the answer, dear students, which is given in the sample paper, and let us discuss what we can add more to make this answer more attractive, more creative, more informative. Griffin was eager to get away from crowded London. So here one thing we can add, because after swallowing rare drugs, his body became transparent, like a glass. Here you can add this more information to make your answer more creative. So because after swallowing rare drugs, his body became transparent like a glass. He was naked and felt cold. He could not move in busy streets of London without clothes. So he went to the village of Iping, where he booked 2 rooms at a local inn. Okay. So after students going through any solved answers, you must analyze what more can be added to this answer to make it more informative. Okay. So this way we can practice well. First of all, we are learning how to answer a question, and we are also revising the chapter. Second thing, in order to make your answer more informative, you can think more suitable lines. So that is why, dear students, it's very helpful to go through the solved question answers. Don't mug up them. Just go through them, write down them, and try to rewrite them in your own words using some more information in order to make it more informative. Okay. So thus we have finished the sample paper 5. Now we are going to start practice of sample paper 6. I am going to rub it now. I hope you have taken the screenshot. Sample paper 6 we are going to start. What happened when the train stopped station in Assam. At the What happened when the train stopped at the first station in Assam? So what happened, dear students, when Pranjal and Razveer, they were heading towards Assam, and when they reached Assam, they were there. It is their, they were going to Assam by train. Okay, and when train stopped, a tea seller came to the window. He was shouting, "Chai garam, chai garam." No, it happened na before reaching in Assam. Okay, it happened before they reached in Assam. Yes, dear students, it happened when they reached Assam, because they are going to Assam, but they had to get on some other station of Assam. Okay, so when the train stopped at Assam, a tea vendor came and he started shouting, "Chai garam, chai saab," and everyone started drinking tea in the compartment. Every other passengers in the compartment, they started drinking tea. So Pranjal and Razveer also ordered 2 cups of tea. So when the train stopped, it is very important, dear students, to go through the text, go through the chapters, revise them, so that you can remember what happened in the chapter, what happened in the story. When the train stopped at the first station in Assam, at the first station in Assam, vendors brought tea for passengers. Vendors brought tea for passengers. The passengers bought tea. The passengers bought tea and started drinking it. Drinking it. The tea of Assam is popular. The tea of Assam is popular, so everyone relished it. So everyone relished it. So what happened when the train stopped at the first station in Assam? So when the train stopped at the first station in Assam, vendors brought tea for passengers. The passengers bought tea and started drinking it. The tea of Assam is popular, so everyone relished it. Okay, so this is what we have gone through the chapter. Now I'm going to rub it and write the next question. Next question. What is the Arab theory? What is the Arab theory? What is the Arab theory about the Kodagu people's descent? About the Kodagu people's descent. What is the Arab theory about the Kodagu people's descent? Answer? The Arab theory says that the people of Kodagu, the Arab theory says that the Arab theory says that the people of Kodagu wear a coat called kupia. Wear a coat wear a coat called kupia. They use embroidered waist belt. They use embroidered waist belt. Embroidered waist belt. It resembles the kufia. It resembles the kufia worn by Arabs. Kufia worn by Arabs. Thus it is believed that they are the descendants of Arab. They are the descendants of Arab. Okay, dear students. So, what is the Arab theory about the Kodagu people's descent? So, the Arab theory says that the people of Kodagu wear a coat called kupia. They use embroidered waist belt. It resembles kufia worn by Arabs. Thus, it is believed that they are the descendants of Arab. Okay, so this is the Arab theory about Kodagu people. So I hope you have done it. Either you can take the screenshot or you can pause the video and write down. Now I am going to rub it. Next question. How did Kisa Gotmi come to realize the fact of death? Come to realize the fact of death. So how did Kisa Gotmi come to realize the fact of death? So we all know when she came to realize the fact of death, when someone suggested her, when carrying her dead child, she was running home to home, then someone suggested her to go to Shakyamuni Buddha. When she went there, Buddha asked her to bring mustard seed from a house where no one died. So when she went to bring the mustard seeds, everyone was ready to give her mustard seed, but she found no house where no one died. Okay, then she realized the fact of death. So let us write this answer. When Kisa Gotmi went to Buddha, Buddha asked her to bring Buddha asked her to bring mustard seeds from the house. Mustard seeds from the house where no one had died, such house. She could not, find, she could not find any such house. So eventually, dear students, eventually she realized the fact of death. Eventually she realized the fact of death. Okay. So how did Kisa Gotmi come to realize the fact of death? So when Kisa Gotmi went to Buddha, Buddha asked her to bring mustard seeds from the house where no one had died. She could not find any such house. Eventually, she realized the fact of death. Thus, dear students, we have read in the story, she realized the fact of the death. Okay, let me rub it and write down the next question. Why did the narrator find the site at the station? Find the site at the station agreeably. Why did the narrator find the site at the station agreeable? So this question has been taken from the hack driver. Now let us write down the answer. The question is in simple past tense, so we are supposed to answer in simple past tense. So we are going to start, the narrator found the site agreeable because, then we are supposed to give the reason. Okay. The narrator found the site at the station agreeable. The site at the station agreeable because he saw a hack driver. Because he saw a hack driver who was cheerful person, who was cheerful He offered him help. He offered him help. He faced no difficulty in starting his research. He faced no difficulty He faced no difficulty in starting his research. In starting his research. Okay, dear students. So the narrator found the sight at the station agreeable because he saw a hack driver who was cheerful person. He offered him help. He faced no difficulty in starting his research. So dear students, we are discussing solved question answers from sample papers which will help you to write the answer, and at the same time we are also revising the chapters. Okay dear students, so continue with it. It is very helpful for your board examination. So thank you students for watching this video. See you tomorrow in the next video, and we will be continuing with the same